Skills needed for AI. Namaskar friends. Let us dive in. AI is transforming the world at an unprecedented pace. But what does it take to succeed in this field? In this video, we will explore the essential skills you need to thrive in AI, whether you aim to become an avid user or a professional developer. Artificial intelligence is in everything, from chatbots to self-driving cars. Understanding AI-driven tools is becoming a necessity, not just an option. As a student, gaining these skills can unlock tremendous opportunities and prepare you to contribute to the evolving technological landscape. To use AI effectively, you must master prompt engineering. Craft accurate, clear, and structured prompts to maximize the tool's potential. At the same time, think critically about the output data and assess its validity instead of blindly trusting results. AI often processes vast amounts of data. Learning to interpret this data, identify biases, and draw meaningful insights is an indispensable skill. Basic knowledge of charts, graphs, and statistical patterns can help you master this aspect of AI usage. AI is powerful but not perfect. It can inherit biases, make errors, or even generate unethical outputs. Always consider the moral and ethical implications of using AI, ensuring fairness and privacy-respecting practices. The AI landscape is highly dynamic. Continuously exploring new tools, methodologies, and resources is crucial. Join courses, follow reputable industry voices, and experiment with practical applications to stay ahead. Coding is the heartbeat of AI. Start with Python, known for its simplicity and vast AI library ecosystem. Alongside Python, learn data structures, algorithms, and object-oriented programming, which will serve as the foundation for AI development. AI relies heavily on mathematics. Study critical topics like linear algebra, calculus, and probability. These concepts enable understanding of how machine learning and deep learning models function. Machine learning involves training algorithms to recognize patterns and predict outcomes, while deep learning uses neural networks to mimic human thought processes. Explore milliliter techniques such as supervised and unsupervised learning, and delve into neural networks like CNNs and RNNs. AI models perform best with quality data. Learn how to clean, pre-process, and visualize data. Having expertise in these fundamentals ensures that the insights and models derived from data are useful and accurate. Leverage frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. These tools simplify the development of AI models and boost efficiency in building robust applications. Modern AI applications thrive on cloud platforms. Acquiring knowledge of services like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure can help you deploy and scale advanced AI solutions effectively. AI development is an iterative discipline. Cultivating a habit of experimentation and debugging fosters creativity and innovation. Accept failure as a stepping stone and persist in problem solving to achieve groundbreaking solutions. AI is not just the innovation of tomorrow, it's a transformative tool available today. Mastering these skills as a student equips you to both utilize and create impactful AI applications. Start with small steps, stay curious, and build progressively toward expertise. Subscribe, share, and embark on your AI journey now.